Hi guys! For today's video, I decided to be a little bit more on the mauve kind of colors because, you know me, I'm always doing warm tone colors. I did only use the Modern Renaissance palette because I did have a request from a dear friend. I thought that I had a makeup tutorial using just the Modern Renaissance palette, but I realized that I didn't. So this is a makeup look that I thought would be nice. Also, my previous makeup tutorials have had a lot of pink involved. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. I did not do the swatches for this palette because this is an old palette and there's a lot of videos out there with swatches and, you know, I don't really think it's necessary. It was a good palette. It's still a good palette. I am talking through this makeup tutorial, so just keep watching to see how I did this makeup look. For this makeup tutorial, I'll be only using the Modern Renaissance palette. I want like a cool tone eye look. So I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow Warm Taupe with a blending brush. And I'm going to apply this on the crease and just a little bit above the crease as well. I'm trying to get a simple eye look that still looks nice without adding so much to it. And this time I'm not extending the eyeshadow like I've been doing lately. I'm just going to keep it following the shape of my eye. Alright, so next I'm going to pick up the shade Cyprus Umber, which is this brown right here, with the Morphe M513 brush. So I'm just going to apply this straight on the crease, just to kind of darken a little bit that color. I want to concentrate this color on the outer corner. I've been doing like almost every color, so might as well lean over to the cool tones. Just kind of blend it with the blending brush so there's no harsh lines. So now with the same blending brush, I'm just going to grab a little bit of Love Letter, which is the pink here, with the same blending brush, just a little bit. And we're going to pass this over the entire crease, kind of adding a little bit more of like color to this, you know. Now with a nice shading brush, I'm just going to grab Buon Fresco, which is this one right here. And we're going to apply this all over the eyelid. And blending it out with the outer corner. And then to blend it out, just grab the brush we used for the outer corner. And then the blending brush for the entire crease. Okay, so now for my brow bone, I'm going to be grabbing this color right here, which is called Vermeer. And I'm going to be using a Morphe E14 brush. It's kind of like a shimmery pink because the other one is more like a golden color. And highlight that brow bone. And then just blend out the edges with the blending brush. Now I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. You know, I'm making it simple, but still having a wing, okay? Okay, so now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna be using my spoon. Feel free to use whatever helps your own lashes. Alright, and for the mascara, I'll be using the Kiss New York Dead Sexy Lashes, and I'm gonna be using the upper side. For the lashes, I'm going to be using a new pair that I got from Stush Extensions. This one is called Diva. It has a black band. They're still very wispy and they look very curvy, and I like that. This pair is going to complement this eye look perfectly. I'm going to make sure the lash fits my eye. Wow. Guys, it's not even on. I'm just checking to see if I need to trim the band, but damn. I don't need to trim it. So for the glue, I'm going to be using Stush's Premium Latex Free Eyelash Adhesive. It's a brush-on adhesive like this, and it's black. These lashes touch my upper part of my eye. I'm living for these lashes. Now moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using the Kiss New York Pro Touch Liquid Foundation in the shade Soft Tan. It is a little bit darker than my face and my neck, but it kind of matches my shoulders. I'm just going to pump 2. That was actually a lot. I'm just going to spread it out with a brush because I felt like that was a lot. I don't really want so much. So now I'm just gonna blend it in with my beauty blender and spread the rest. When I highlight, I will also even out the color. See, it matches my shoulders, but it doesn't match my neck. I still have my tan on my body, but not my face nor my neck. And for concealer, again, Kiss New York, the Pro Touch Dark Under Eye Concealer. This has been my favorite concealer, and I think I'm finishing up another tube, but I have another one. Highlight my cupid's bow, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. And I'm going to do under my cheeks, up there. Now I'm just going to set my under eye, and I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And we're going to bake under the eye. A little bit on the chin. Whatever's left on your sponge, to pat it on. The nose. Before I go back into the eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and contour my nose. I'm going to be using my Angle Sephora brush. It's an eyeshadow brush, but I use it to contour my nose using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. I'm going to contour using my Kiss New York Contour Kit in the shade Medium. And I'm going to be grabbing the darkest shade, which is this one right here, using a Sigma F40 brush. Contour my forehead as well, and my jawline. Now I'm just gonna go back into the eyes. I'm gonna use a full black liner by NYX. This is in the shade Obsidian, and I'm gonna add this to the waterline. It's kind of like a blue purple kind of color. Next, I'm gonna go back into the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna first grab Warm Taupe, so the same shades that we did on the eye, I'm gonna do them on the bottom lash. And I'm gonna be using a Sigma E30 brush and just blend it on the entire bottom lash. Next, I'm going to be grabbing Cyprus Umber on a Sigma E15 brush, and we're going to apply this very close to the lower lash. Next, with the same pencil brush, I'm going to be picking out Love Letter, and we're going to blend both of those colors together. Next, I'm going to pick out again Vermeer on a Morphe E36 brush, and we're going to apply this on the inner corner of the eye. Right here. I'm going to wipe off the powder. I'm going to coat my bottom lashes using the same mascara. Now I'm just going to warm up the face just a little bit, and I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild P60 brush, and we're going to warm up the face just a little bit. And a little bit on the tip of the nose, a little bit around the forehead, and on the neck. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be using the NYX Ombre blush in the shade Mauve Me, because I'm going with the eye look. And I'm going to be using a Sigma F10 brush, the blush brush, and apply this on the apples of my cheeks, Okay, and a little bit on the tip of the nose. And to highlight, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M310 brush. And apply this right on the cheekbones. The trick to this is always like start little by little and keep applying. I'm going to add it on my Cupid's bow. I'm just going to grab a small brush. This is a G20 brush by Morphe. And I'm just going to dip the tip on the highlighter to highlight my nose. Like that. And then the bridge of my nose. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to overline them using the Suede Matte Lip Liner by NYX. This is in the shade Lolita. So now that I've overlined my lips, I'm going to emphasize the Cupid's bow, the bottom part of my lip, and the outer corners using the NYX Slim Pencil Liner in the shade Mahogany. The outer corners. And now to fill in my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Budapest. Alright guys, so now to set my face, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, as always. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. I try to do something more easier and not too many colors, more on the cool tone, mauve kind of side. Also, please don't forget to leave in the comments down below your thoughts on the makeup look. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! It was a good palette. Ouch. Oh boy, so much powder. And I forgot to mention, I'm going to be highlighting using the NYX with the same pencil. Alright guys, so for bronzer, I'm done. Ooh. I was going to throw my bronzer in my garbage can. Ow! My elbow! Why do I look blurry? What is this? Morphe G20 brush. G20? Is this a G20? Me, I got you covered.